Hi, I'm Tronic. At Dagostino Electronic Services, we strive to be the best technology integrator. We want to give you the tools and solutions to best meet your needs, and we want to make sure you know how to use them. An important part of our process is training. We want to teach your team and give them the ability to troubleshoot if an issue or problem pops up. Of course, if there's something you can't figure out, we have a fully staffed support department who can, and we're always here to help. A quick phone call or an email puts you in touch with one of our representatives who will start the solution process. Our engineers are trained and certified in the product lines we offer, so we'll be sure to assign the most qualified technician to your case. We also have long-standing relationships with the manufacturers we partner with, and that can be super helpful expediting a resolution or getting a critical part. Many times, our technicians can log into your system and solve the problem remotely. If not, we can schedule an on-site visit. Most of our customers have long-term service agreements with us. We offer gold, silver, and bronze support packages depending on how much coverage you desire, and we're always willing to customize a plan that's right for you. We can monitor your systems around the clock and proactively solve potential problems before you even know there's an issue. We can also notify you of product upgrades and expiring warranties. But even if you don't have a support contract with the DES, we still encourage you to call us with any issue. If it's the weekend or after hours, leave us a message and we'll be in touch as soon as possible. Once you file a support ticket, you'll receive a 5-digit case number. This is how you track your case, so keep this number handy. You can also escalate your issue or concern to your DES representative or one of our managers. Our support desk is open Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. We're always here to support you and give you peace of mind so you can focus on what really matters: the direct needs of your business or organization. Until next time, I'm Tronic. Be sure to check out our website and follow us on social media to stay connected.